60 years. Abandoned. Forgotten. Not anymore. Let's go.
Look at this. 60 years of silence. Every corner, every room, waiting. We see what it was, we see what it will be. Let's begin. Everything broken. Everything fixable.
Room by room, floor by floor, this ship becomes a palace.
Clear it all. This is where luxury starts. Every step, a work of art.
Light returns. After 60 years, light.
Deep ocean. Right here. Right now.
Look at that. 3 layers. Ocean depth. Perfect. Every piece chosen for this moment. This is what they dreamed of, right? 60 years ago, but never saw.
Step by step, light by light, this ship wakes up.
Heart of the ship. Views for miles. Nothing but ocean.
Luxury means space, light,
Light.
silence.
with the old. All of it. Nothing stays.
Now, we build.
All right, together now. Slow, slow. Clear on this side? Good. Watch the edge. Perfect. Ready. For anything. For anyone. For anyone.
A kitchen fit for an ocean palace. Every detail matters.
"16 seats. One view. Perfection."
The dining room is ready.
It's more beautiful than I imagined. Wake up to this every single morning. This is home now.
Your private ocean. Your private sky. No one else exists. Rip it all out. Start fresh. This becomes a spa. This isn't a bathroom. This is a retreat. Total luxury. Total peace.
Train with the ocean. Nothing beats this view.
Line it up perfectly. Needs to be flush. Projectors secure. Good job, fellas.
Cinema at sea. No tickets needed.
Top of the world. Pool at sea. Nothing better.
The ship is coming alive.
Look at that gold.
It's magnificent.
6 decades. Erased. This is what we do.
The dining room is ready.
It's more beautiful than I imagined. This is home now.
Total luxury. Total peace.
Abandoned, forgotten, 60 years. Now look at her. This is Rust to Lux. Subscribe.